Alright, everyone go summit reception. We're fast killing the hive. Don't build
through
in
glass?
Move out.
Go no, we're going right here. Right
Proceed to
here.
waypoint.
You stay right here and you shoot the
Proceed to
hive.
waypoint.
Right there, shoot the hive. I'm gonna go drop a chair and sub and everywhere else.
Okay, several of them to attack country. That's fine. I'm gonna lead the charge, boys. Let's go!
Alright, send the med spam. This is all or nothing, boys. If we don't win, we concede. Send the med spam right here. Right in the corner. Right in the med spam. Don't go in! Send the med spam. Send the med spam.
Jump out of the chair and shoot the skull.
This is all or nothing. All or nothing.
I had dying before we shoot.
It's almost dead. Shoot the hive. Shoot the hive. It's almost dead. Shoot it. Shoot it.
It's dead, it's dead.
Atrium. It's atrium. It's atrium. Atrium.
Go.
Watch atrium. Watch atrium. I'm building the IP. Building the IP. Nothing else. The atrium right after this. Go. I'm out of the chair.
I get a mid. I'm on 10 HP.
Nope, not gonna mid.
Okay.
I'm running with you.
It's just a hive, right? Is there a gorge on it? Yeah, there's a gorge and
There's a
one
gorge on
skulk. Just get the skulk, kill the skulk, kill the skulk. Get the skulk, that's the last one! That's the last skulk! You have to kill the skulk!
There's a fatty. There's only one fatty.
That's
Alright,
that
we got
gorge
it.
is dead. Yeah, we're good.
We got it.